Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Merry Christmas to everybody. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got another Amazon unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping. And you'll get this in no time. Alright. Here we go. What do we got in here? Oh boy. Oh, what is this? What are you? Whoa. Check these out. From TaoTronics. This is a whole home mesh Wi-Fi system. Oh boy. And that orange is popping. Here we go. Two routers. Oh, these look nice. Got fast speed. TaoTronics. Alright. Let's see what these look like. Oh, but everybody needs something like this now. Since we're at home using more of our technologies, and with the new PlayStation and Xbox and Nintendo Switches, homeschooling, this is definitely going to come in handy now, guys. So, just click the link down below. That's all you got to do. And add it to your cart. Nice power cord there. This must be the USB. Or the Ethernet. Oh, that's a nice one. Bam. Here we go. And now, gotta pull this guy out. Oi. Alright. Oh, these are. It's only one. Alright. Guess one is all you need. Power the beast. Oh, this is fancy. This one matched the PS4. Here's all the bag. You got all your LANs, WAN, USB, 12 power, on and off button right here. Nice little silver stand. Here's a front. Here's the front. TaoTronics. That's what it looks like. Really nice. Alright, let's plug her in. I think I'm gonna need to get my app, my other phone. Dun. Untwine. It's a long cable too. Long cord. Oh, yep. All the way down. So you got enough room there. Alright, gotta plug the Alexa. And then plug this one in. Plug this one in. Like so. Plugged in. Does it light up anywhere? Be cool if they had RGB lights running. Oh. Push the button. Oh, it does light up. Sweet. Look at that. That's futuristic right there. Alright. Now let's see, what else do we need? Oh boy, here we go. Let's hope I can figure this out. Master. Upper layaway. Set up your router. This is going to be app you're going to need to download. I got so many of these right now, I can't really hook this one up because it's going to screw some of my stuff up I got running right now. So, I'm going to let it go as is. But definitely check them out, guys. Download and install the router. It's called TT Router in the Google app or the Apple app store. So, install TT Router, it's called. And you can control your wired and wirelessly wireless mesh network. And you guys can start zooming away, live streaming. You can watch movies, see now it's good to go. Really nice. Whole home mesh Wi-Fi. TaoTronics. They got a lot of other cool stuff for kitchen accessories and more. So click the link, see what they got. Skycam. Alrighty, YouTubers, you guys be safe. Merry Christmas. And see you guys soon. Alright, see ya.